Dear everyone, I am introducing myself. I hope good time to all of you. I am Joy from Tangal. I am 25 years old. Now I am living at Mohammedpur in Dhaka. I passed HHC in 2016 from Patel ML High School, belong to accounting, uh, with a GPA 4.11. HHC in 2016 from Chisti College of Tangal, belong to accounting, with GPA 4. Now I am doing basic course at English Fantasy. In my free time, I spend it with my family because my family is first priority. And basically, I am a sports lover. I love to play cricket. My favorite player was Kumar Sangakkara. Finally, my goal is to be a sea officer. Uh, thanks, thanks for being with me sometimes.